Well, we got a lot of our dash installed here. Got the steering column in, instrument panel. Got the speaker grills in, speakers installed. We're going to start painting all the plastic trim here with the dye that we bought. All this trim that goes on here, kick panels, pillar trim. Got this piece done here just to freshen everything up. Some of it was faded, some of it was just stained. So we're going to work on that. We're waiting on the instrument cluster to come in. This is one of the pieces that we worked on here. I got it painted. These are the other moldings here. I got to get these wiped down, cleaned up, get them painted. And then the kick panels here, and these are carpeted, but this part here is painted red. You can see on the door jamb. So took the carpet off of that one. We're gonna drill this rivet out and take the carpet off of this, re-dye them, and then we're gonna put the carpeting back on. They'll be ready to go. So we got this one wiped off here. This is a glue residue. I'm not gonna worry about that, but you don't see it anyway. Got this adhesion promoter from Corvette America. So just put a light coat on this stuff here. What we want red. Let it set for a little bit. And come back and spray it. Well, we got our adhesion promoter dry, and we're ready to spray on here our from Corvette America, bought through Corvette Central, the interior dye. This is the red, dark red for the 82s. It's a 82 only color. So put a few light coats on here. The factory never really did this up here, but I think it'd be nice to get it red so it looks nice and fresh. This stuff's lacquer, so it dries really fast. Nice paint, hides nice, covers good, dries fast. All right, so that's all done. We'll get the other one ready and get it painted. With our kick panels dry, we're gonna put the carpet on these. So I got the carpet here. It's ACC, pretty popular carpet company. We're gonna get the carpet pieces out here and get them glued on, and maybe while we're doing this, we'll get the rest of the carpet out and just get the layout here. They recommend letting it lay out, for 24 hours to relax from being cooped up in that box. So let's get that out of there. All right, so we got our freshly painted kick panel here, and we have the correct carpet for it. Get this glued on. Have to do a little bit of trimming here, it looks like. All right, so I got my glue here, and glue this one down. Put a couple clips on to hold it in place. There's a little bit of an edge right here, and then gotta kind of clamp it down to help it out. So we're gonna do the other one. Let this one sit and dry for a little while. Try not to get the glue everywhere. Let this tack up for a minute or so, and then put it down. All right, we got our sound deadening laid in place here. We were able to reuse these old pieces here. Good thing, because they don't sell them with the kit. So I got that piece is kind of trimmed to fit. Now we're gonna lay the carpet back here. Now here's our other rear panel here for the, this will be the passenger side. Got the other one over here. Got the other one repainted, re-dyed. Tried to use the old one again here. It come out pretty nice. So, got that cleaned up, painted. Redid the armrest. These armrests are pretty nice shape, which is kind of unusual. So we're gonna clean this one up and re-dye it.